Abhyaas Law Prep, we have good news today. GNLU Silvassa has released 21 vacant seats under this notification just now. Let's take a look at that. For that, you will need to visit our Abhyaas Law Prep website where we regularly update all the NLUs that release vacant seats notifications. And we have prepared a chart of the same, and at 8th number is GNLU Silvassa. So you'll have to click on this link and we'll be redirected to this notification PDF page, right? And then as you can see here, whoever has applied for CLAT 2025 may directly apply by filling this Google form, and there is no such rank eligibility for the same for applying under this vacant seat notification. But make sure that you check the cutoff of this university for the last year and the previous year, so that you don't make the payment without going through all the details, correct? So as you can see here, you have to pay an application fee of INR 4,000 rupees if you want to apply under this vacancy notification. And let's take a look at which category seats, what seats are available, okay? So there's vertical and horizontal category, right? So in the vertical category for general, we have 4 seats available, and for general women category, we have 5 seats, and for general women TDN category, we have 3 seats, and for general EWS category, we have 4 seats, and for SC, we have 4, and for SC women, we have 1, and for ST, we have 1, and for OBC, we have 1 more. So make sure that you select the right category when you're filling this. Because the university has clearly mentioned here that it's not possible to edit your category once the result is out, the merit list result is out, and you cannot accept or edit your admission category once you submit this application form, correct? And you have to do this filling up of application form before 11th July 2025, 5 p.m. So before the evening, make sure you pay this amount, fill in all the details, and you apply under this vacant seat notification category. And as you can see here, the selection is purely of a merit-based selection. What does it mean? It means your All India rank and the cutoff category. They ensure that what is your cutoff category, the general cutoff category for this particular university, and university website would announce the candidates who got selected solely on the basis of such cutoffs, correct? So if you have any queries, you can anytime write to admissions@gnlu.ac.in. Only then your queries would be answered promptly, right? So there is still quite a few amount of time for applying under this notification. So make sure you check with all the other formalities such as fees and status stay and every other thing if you want to apply for this, and if you think the cutoff, you rank first below the cutoff, right? But there is no such cutoff eligibility here. It is surely and purely on the merit basis. So if you click on this application link, you'll be redirected to this page. And then here you have to fill in all your details, your personal details, your date of birth, and your contact details of your parents, an emergency contact, your permanent address, your CLAT scorecard, and your 10th, 12th qualifications you have to fill in. If you have done any diploma, that too, and your photograph, and your 10th, 12th mark sheets, your CLAT admit card, your CLAT scorecard. So you'll have to upload all these documents onto this registration form, and then you have to click on declaration, you have to accept, okay, and then you have to save this and move on to a different page. That is, it will be redirected to a different page after you fill this. Then you'll have to make a payment of 4,000 rupees, and ensure that you do this entire process hassle-free before July 11th, 5 p.m. so that you won't have any problem further. Right? So stay tuned for more such updates, and at 21 Cs, don't miss this opportunity. All the very best.